Hi, I'm just going to go over how to start a Pear Deck lesson. So the first thing is you're going to pull up the slideshow. If you haven't already, you're going to need to make a copy and have it in your personal drive. So I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. I like to change it so it's not copy of, copy of, copy of, and whatever, you could keep the name however you feel. I'm going to hit the back button until I end up, it'll probably say share drive because you're pulling it from there. So back to this. This is the screen. I'm going to go all the way back and I'm going to click on my drive. And I have a folder for the school year. If you don't have one, you could easily hit new folder and create a folder. And then I have a 7th writing. And I've already put it in here actually. Normally I'd hit select, but it's already actually in here. So then you would hit OK and it will make a copy. I'm hitting cancel because I already did it. Then you're going to go to add-ons and you're going to hit Pear Deck. If you haven't found Pear Deck yet, you're going to click Get Add-ons and it's usually the second one on here. Yep, right here. Pear Deck. You click it and there's an option to install. So I'm going to, once I've downloaded it, I'm going to go to Add-ons, Pear Deck, Open Pear Deck Add-on. And it might take a couple of seconds and then it's going to pop up over here. I'm going to go ahead and start lesson. Now, if it was student pace where the student can work through it at their own pace, you could click that. But we're doing instructor pace for now and I'm going to click on instructor pace. So you may want to try to do this kind of before class starts if you have the chance. If not, it's not terribly long. While the kids are doing their warm-ups, you could do it. So the kids will type in, you'll have this screen shared up on your Zoom or your Promethean. They'll go to joinpd.com and put in the code, or you can give students a link. It's already copied. You can go into your Zoom to the chat and paste the link there. I can't go any further than this because I don't have any students, but once students are in, I'm going to click Start the Slideshow. I'm going to open a teacher dashboard, so you could do this. This is kind of what I need to see and see. I'm not sure if it'll work because there's no students in there right now. Oh, I think it might. So this kind of just goes over a couple of things. Got it. This is you're projecting the join code. Tell students to go and enter this code. And then this is kind of something you can use as you're going through the slideshow. So as I'm showing my kids, they cannot go to a slide that I haven't pulled up for them. And you can see here, waiting for responses. I'll be able to actually see my kids' responses. So I might have this screen on my other screen and have my projection up so that they're kind of like, I can move this and so I can kind of see this is what the kids are seeing. And then this is the one I might have on another screen so that I can see the kids' responses. And you can see, like, this is kind of how it's going to look for the kids. So they're going to have the slide and then they're going to have the spot where they write their answers, which, oops, I actually need to change that because they're supposed to be able to draw on the table. So it's a good thing I looked at this. And this slide you might want to take out before you start because this is the answers. So just make sure you kind of look through that. Like this one too, this slide, I would go in and delete it. You can just, when the slide's open right here, you can just right click and hit delete and you can get rid of the slide. It's easy to do. So I hope that helps. Okay,